Hey everyone, I'm going to be your easy tutorial for We're Good by Dua Lipa, and I'm going to be singing along with you, and you can play along with me too. So we have our guitar, and we are on the 4th fret, so 1, 2, 3, 4, capo on the 4th fret. We're just gonna, put it back on. Easy. We're going to be using E major, A, D, D7, and G. And to go over that, we're going to go E major, A, D, D7, and G. And you can also play it like that, G. So to run through it really quickly, E major is going to be on your 2nd fret, and when you count the strings, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're going to put your first finger onto the 5th string, and then your middle finger onto the string below that. So the 4th string, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, so that is your first chord, E major. We're going to do A. So what I do actually is just kind of add my 3rd finger, my ring finger, and I just kind of like slide down, and this is A. And to run over that, it's also on the 2nd fret, and you take your first 3 fingers, and they're going to start on your 4th string here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to, so it's 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and it sounds like that. And then D is going to be these 2 fingers, you're going to slide them down. So 2nd fret, and then first finger is going to be onto your 3rd string. First finger is going to go on your 3rd string, and the 2nd finger is going to be on the 1st one. And then this finger is going to go on the string, on the 2nd string, onto your 3rd fret. So then D7 is just going to go this finger, first finger is going to slide to your 1st fret, 2nd string, and then your 2nd finger is going to go on the 3rd, and then ring finger is going to go right here. D7, so G to D7. And then G is very easy too. You're going to take this finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, middle finger on the 6th fret, very top one, and then your ring finger is going to go on the very bottom one. Strum everything. So E major, D, D7, G, E major, A, D, D7, and G. So now that we know the chords, we are going to run through the verse 1, and I'm going to bring you to the chorus. Okay. E major, A, E major, so we're going to be learning I'm on an island, even when you're close, can't take the silence. So all you're basically doing is you're transferring between E major and A, and it's also a very easy transition because all you're doing is here, and you're going to go move down and make sure you just add your 3rd finger. And it's I'm on an island, and I'm also just like, I'm kind of pulling them away, I'm kind of plucking them. You can also go I'm on an island, even when you're close, can't take the silence, I'd rather be alone. That's pretty easy. And then we're going to go to the pre-chorus, and it's again E, A, E major, A, so it's the same thing. And then for the let's end it part, we're going to go D. Let's end it like we D7 and say we're good, G. So I think it's pretty plain, I think it's pretty plain and simple, we gave it all we could. It's time I'll wave goodbye from the window, D, D7, G. And then chorus, so together it's E major, E major, A, E major, A, E major, A, D, D7, G. Think it's pretty plain and simple, we gave it all we could. into our chorus, and that's gonna be G. We're not meant to be, that's never gonna change. And then for that, you're gonna go G, meant to be, A, D, G. So I recommend going, just switching between those chords, and at first you'll be slow, but it's okay. So just go G, 1, 2, A, 1, 2, D, 1, 2, G, 1, 2. So just literally just like learn switching between, transitioning the chords, and you're gonna be really good to go. So we're not meant to be, that's never gonna change, or sleeping and cocaine. Let's at least agree to go our separate ways. So it's the same exact sequence, and then for this part you're going to play the E major A again. So not gonna judge you when you're with somebody else, as long as you swear you won't be pissed when I do it myself. Let's end this like we should and say we're good. And then for that part, I just go for the not gonna judge you when you're with part. I just kind of strum down 2 times. So not gonna judge you when you're with. So not gonna judge you when you're with. So I go down, 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 down. D, D, G, G, G. Like, I kind of just mess around with the strumming pattern, but I feel like as long as you have the chords, you're good to go. So we're not meant to be like sleeping and cocaine. So let's at least agree to go our separate ways. Not gonna judge you when you're A, somebody else, long as you swear. G, let's end this like we should and say we're good. And then we're back to the verse again. So I'm just gonna go play this since we already went through how it goes, but if you need help, go ahead and go back, click. I will leave timestamps, so no need to hide it. Go get what you want. This won't be a burden if we both don't hold a grudge. Think it's pretty plain and simple. Gave it all time, I'll wave goodbye from the window and to like D7 and say we're G. We're not meant to be like sleeping and coke. G, let's at least A to go our separate ways. Not gonna judge you when you're with somebody else, long as you swear you only best when I do it myself. Let's end this like we should, say we're good. And then for the bridge, it is actually just the same sequence, so I'm gonna play that for you. Now you're holding this against me like I knew you would. Trying my best to make this easy, so don't give me that look. Just say we're good. We're not meant to be, that's never gonna change. Let's at least agree to go our separate ways. Not gonna judge you when you're with somebody else, long as you swear you won't be pissed when I do it myself. Let's end this like we should and say we're good. And again, you can go strum down, or you can pluck like what I do. Really whatever you want, and it's the same sequence. I will be leaving everything in the description and also on screen, so you guys know exactly what chords to play when the verse is the same as the second verse, and then the bridge is similar to the pre-chorus, and the chorus is just the chorus. So hope you guys enjoy this little mini tutorial, and I'll be doing more tutorials, so make sure to leave it down below. And again, E major, A, E major, D, D7, D, D7, G. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing the whole song for you guys, and you can play along with me. So if you guys are, practicing and you learn this, practice with me, play this as many times as you need, okay? and simple. We gave it all we could. Time I wave goodbye from the window, and like we shouldn't say we're good, when I'm meant to be like sleeping and cocaine. So let's at least agree to go our separate ways. Not gonna judge you when you're with somebody else, long as you swear you'll be best when I do it myself. Let's end this like we shouldn't say we're good. No need to hide it. Go get what you want. This won't be a burden if we both don't hold a grudge. Think it's pretty plain and simple. We gave it all we could. Time I wave goodbye from the window, and like we shouldn't say we're good, when I'm meant to be like sleeping and cocaine. Let's at least agree to go our separate ways. Not gonna judge you when you're with somebody else, long as you swear you'll be best when I do it myself. Let's end this like we should and say we're good. Now you're holding this against me like I knew you would. Tried my best to make this easy, so don't give me that look. Just say we're good, when I'm meant to be like sleeping and cocaine. Let's at least agree to go our separate ways. Not gonna judge you when you're with somebody else, long as you swear you'll be best when I do it myself. Let's